Tuesday. JD Productions here, and today we're going to go explore this abandoned slaughterhouse. A cop friend of mine went here to explore it like a week ago, and I haven't heard from him since. I'm getting actually kind of worried. His sister funded me to do this, so come on. Actually, kind of nervous about this. We don't know what's over here. Guys, we don't know what's over here, so anything could happen. God, you scared my dad this time. Alright, guys. Right now. Those dogs. Stay here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What was that for? What are you doing?
Run! Mike!
Glad we got one. Come on, mate. I'll show you where we put the bodies. Oh, and also, bring your friend too.
Oh, please. Come on. Don't have to do this. No. Please. Please. You're not gonna escape, little buddy. There's no sense in trying. You ain't. Just ain't. I'm gonna kill you. I already said there ain't no chance. So, little buddy, are you a cop?
Can you read my hat, idiot?
You know what? The Army, we have discipline. Come on, get up. You said you're a cop. This should be a breeze for you. Go! I said go! Go! You're not trying hard enough. In the Army, we have time limits. Gotta meet the time, little buddy. Alright. Now, you didn't meet your time limit, son. Give me 20 more. Don't expect sympathy from me. You ain't gonna get it. Back in the Army, that was hardship. Right here, you don't even know what hardship is. Back before there was rules. Back before there was regulation. Them Vietnamese, they'd lock you up. They'd starve you. Now, every week some poor sap would be chosen. Bless their soul. Not volunteered, we'd have to beat them. Real good. Then, we'd have to eat them. And you know what? You know your little friends, Mike and Jack? Guess what's gonna happen to them? You wanna join us for dinner later? It's on the house. I'm much obliged for the hat. We ain't ever gonna starve again because of you. You know what? Why don't you join us for dinner? Come on. Get moving. Stop here. See you at dinner, pal. Todd, we're ready. You're not a real cop. You're just a little boy. You're just a kid. You don't deserve that uniform, son. You don't even... You couldn't even do a measly... The drill instructor would have killed you! And let me tell you, boy, it ain't gonna be any different with us. God, get the chainsaw! God, hurry! Oh no. Come on, get out here! Don't just stand there. Get him, you big ape!
Grrrr!
The murders committed by the Thompson family are some of the most violent and gruesome in the history of Texas. These would be known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacres.